Hello, how are you? And welcome back to the SolidWorks Sketch course. In this lesson, we will learn the Offset Entities tools, one of the most powerful sketch tools for creating parallel geometry quickly and accurately. So, let's start. Make a part here, double click, and as you know, we need a 2D space. I choose front plane. We need some lines for exercise, rectangle, and circle here, and make an arc. Okay, offset is here. Sketch, offset entities. Click here, distance 10 millimeters. Select. Oh, it's it's pre-select. Cancel. Again, offset. Choose line. Offset. Entities. Make a line parallel to our sketch, like that. Again, offset. We can use make outside and inside our sketch. As you can see, the offset tool create a parallel copy of selected sketch entities at the defined distance. So we can use change direction inside or outside, and we have another option bi-directional. Let's cancel. Again, offset and bi-directional creates offsets on both sides of the original geometry, like that. I should make another line here. Again, offset. Another, choose line. Bi-directional is off. Another option is cap ends. Automatically close the ends of open sketch when offsetting. Automatically close end of open sketch, like that. So this was about offset. It's pretty easy. There is everything you need to know about offset entities in SolidWorks Sketch. In next lesson, we will continue with more powerful sketch tools. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.